Oh, you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
What's up, y'all? So today I'm gonna be doing my own pedicure with these fake toenails that I got from Shein. Alright, so it came in a pack of 200 and I separated the sizes that I needed for my toes. So for my equipment, I got a file, a cuticle pusher, and sticky tabs, nail glue. I also got some tools, some nail clippers, some top coat by LA Color, and some alcohol so I could spray my toes. Alright, so let's get started. So I already did my toenails with these fake toenails already. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the ones I already had on there off so I can start off with a fresh set. Alright, so I got them all off on this foot. Now I'm gonna just take the rest off of that foot, which is just one. Alright, so now since we got them all off, we can go ahead and clean up the toenails. I'm taking a cuticle pusher and removing all of that excess glue off so I can start with a great foundation. And I also used a file for the toes as well, but I'm going to continue this process until I'm finished taking off all the glue on all the toes. So I'm finished filing and taking all the glue off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my alcohol and spray these toes down so I can get all that extra stuff off. Yes, sir. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a Q-tip to clean it off around the areas. I'm gonna still spray them off again because I'm gonna have to cut my toenails down. You'll see it later in the video. So I just did some finishing touches around my cuticle area. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kiss nail glue and go ahead and start applying my toenails. start applying the glue on my toes, on my big toe. Put a good coat on there because these, they come off. They come off. So you need to make sure you have a good amount of glue on there so they do not come off. Okay, so I have a little technique when I'm putting them on. So I like to bend the toenail so it could fit inside over there, because sometimes it like to bulge over, so I'll have to, like, you know, file it down a little bit, but for the most part they fit perfectly for my toes. So you see that I finished one of them, well, applying them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some of my toenails down on my other foot, because like I said earlier, my real nail was showing under my fake nail, so I had to cut them down as, you know, low as possible. So just clean them up again, you know, starting with a great foundation. I didn't think I needed to cut them because, like I said, I already had a set on before, so I thought it was gonna be fine. But yeah, no, my nails grow back fast. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the same thing on this foot like I did to the first one. So I just wanted to add a little quick note. So if you can see on my toenail, the little tab, it says the number that corresponds with the size. So like for my big toe, it says 0, but they also have sizes in 0, 1, 2, and 3. So I finished placing them on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the tabs off, and it's just simple. You just twist and it'll come off. So bloop, 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 just like that. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and file them down so you can't see where the tabs were. Like I said, you see how my real toenail is kind of bulging out of the back. So yeah, that's why I needed to cut them down. But I was about to take that off, so you know, ain't nobody about to be looking at my toes like that anyway. So yeah, so I'm just go ahead and file them and do the same thing on the other foot as well. Alright, so now that I'm finished doing all of the application, I'm gonna go ahead and put this top coat on top. Honestly, I just did it because I wanted to do it. I didn't really feel like it benefited it anyway, but it kind of make it look shiny and real, so you know, anything to make it look real. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that for the rest of the application. So the last step is putting this vitamin E oil on my cuticle area. I don't have any cuticle oil, so this is the next best thing. But you know, vitamin E oil is always good for you, so I don't mind. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that around the perimeter of the nail. And as you can see, when I do that, it makes it look shiny and look like I just left from the nail salon. Like, y'all. And these were only like $2.50. You can't beat that. But yeah, you guys, so these are the final results. I love them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I love making it. Make sure you come back, subscribe, and we'll see you later. Peace.